Buddy, this is Johnny here at cybervideotv.com. Just wanted to show a couple of the reviews that I have here on Google from I guess Jacqueline Martinez, 5-star. Irina Hayden, I got a 5-star review, very responsive, great communication. I trusted him and all my family with 30 years worth of videos. So I was transferring videos for her. Raul Nieves gave me a 5-star review. We got John Darchiville. Very impressed with the quality. He provided me a PAL video cassette that I transferred to NTSC for him, and there was a wedding from many years ago. Law Television here got a review from him. Edward Fabus, great person to deal with, honest and informative. Clement Daniel, I had a wonderful experience. Tom Mary Bish, thank you for the slide. So don't forget, if you need a transfer of your videos, we also do repairs of TVs, PCs, laptops, Mac, and Windows, as well as game consoles and even scooters and electronics, TVs. Call or text 321-837-9974. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. God bless you all. Have a blessed day.